In this video, I will show you how you can remove objects from photos on any iPad, even if your iPad does not support this feature. Now, there are two methods to do so. For the first method, just make sure that your iPad supports Apple Intelligence. Now, Apple Intelligence is available on iPads which use Apple's M series chipsets like the M1 or the M2, or iPads which are running on Apple's A17 Pro chipset or later. And also make sure that your iPad is updated to iOS 18.1 or later. Now after you've done that, now to remove objects from your photos, just simply open the Photos app, then select a photo from which you want to remove an object. For example, I will select this photo, then tap on Edit. Now over here you will find the option for Clean Up. As you can see, since our iPad does not support Apple Intelligence, the cleanup icon does not appear over here. But if you find the cleanup icon, just tap on it, then mark over the object which you want to remove. And after that, just tap on Done, and you will remove the object from your photo. But for example, if your iPad does not support this feature, like I have over here, so in that case, just go to your home screen and open the App Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app on your iPad. After you install this app on your iPad, then tap on Open. Now just select the photo from which you want to remove an object. Then tap on Edit. Now over here, just go to the Tools section. Now on this page, you will find the option for Magic Eraser. Now just tap on it. And after you select Magic Eraser, now just circle or mark over the object which you want to remove. Just like that. And by doing that, you will remove the selected objects from your photos. And once you're done editing your photo, then just tap on Done and select Save. Now you can either create a copy of this photo or you can save it as it is. I will create a copy of the selected photo. Let's tap on OK. Now if I open the Photos app, as you can see, this is the original photo and this is the photo after we have removed the object from our photo. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.